Yo, what's up guys? It's me, Rob. Thanks for tuning into the Rob's Knowledge YouTube channel. Today we're going to be showing you guys some differences between a real and a fake $100 bill. Now before we start, can you tell which bill is real and which is fake? Alright, now that you've had a few seconds, the fake bill is on top and the real bill is on bottom. Now we're going to show you some ways that we can differentiate between the two of these. So first thing obviously is the counterfeit marker test. Now how this works, it's a marker and you apply it onto the bill and it should go on a goldish color. Now if it stays the gold color, the bill is real, or the paper is real. Like so, it goes on gold, stays gold, but if it goes on and turns a brownish or blackish color, that's how you know the paper is not authentic. So that's one way to tell that this is a fake bill here. Now some of the other ways also, here on Franklin's coat, there's some intaglio printing, or it's basically texturized printing that you can feel with your finger. So if you feel that, you can feel there's a texture to his coat here, versus like on the smooth paper there isn't. But on the fake bill, the whole thing is smooth. So like that. Also just the print quality, it may be a little hard to tell on camera, but this fake bill is a lot blurrier compared to the nice detail on that bill. Okay, now also the color shifting inks. So on the real bill there's a color shifting ink in this little honey pot here, that's the Liberty Bell, and also the 100. So it'll turn from like a copper to like a greenish as you tilt the bill. See, there's like the greenish, and there's the copper. Whereas this is fake and it cannot do such a thing. Then of course there's also the most notable feature of the newer design of the $100 bill, this blue hologram strip. So on the real bill, the hologram strip will turn from little 100s into the Liberty Bell as you move the bill, and you can see it moving there on the paper. Now they attempt to recreate this on the fake bill, but if you move it, the images actually don't move at all like they do on this one. And you could also take a paper clip and actually pass it through this spot right here, or this spot right here underneath the bill. So you put it like underneath where the blue goes and out. I don't have one on me, but I would show you, but that's another cool little feature. Now there's also the watermark test. So the watermark, you gotta hold your bill up to some light or shine a light through the back of it, and as you can see there should be a watermark over here to the right of whoever is on the front of the bill. So as you can see there's a watermark of Benjamin Franklin on the real bill. However, on the fake bill there is no watermark. There is something, but that's just printed on the back, that says that this is like movie money or something. This is just some prop money I got off of Wish. Other than that, also just the extra spacing over here and to that side kind of shows that this top bill is fake. But other than that, guys, that's just some ways we can tell the difference between a real and a fake bill. This is for the $100 bill. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments. If you have any suggestions on any future videos I should do, any other denominations you want to see, please let me know and I'll try to make those if I can. If this helped you out, be sure to smack the thumbs up button. It helps me out so much, guys. Make sure you hit the red subscribe button and turn on post notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. And until next time, guys, I will see you later. Peace out. Check out some of my other videos on screen now. Peace.